2 long days, and finally my Max Trac suspension lift leveling kit has finally arrived in the mail today. Notice I was online doing the check-in. I'm like, it should be here anytime now. Refresh button, delivered. So it was sitting on my front porch, ran downstairs like a madman and received it. So now I'll just do a quick unboxing for you guys. Alright, so saved you the trouble of looking at me opening this box, and I'm just gonna slide out the box here. Right, so nothing else in there except what looks like a manual. Yep, don't care about that. So this is what it looks like when it comes in. Okay, let's give you some light there. We got some nuts and bolts, or just nuts. Okay, and yeah, 2.5 inch, 2.5 inches. There you go. Max Trac suspension lift. I got it off AmericanTrucks.com. Came in 2 days here in Ontario, Canada.